Hello, this video is addressed to ensure the right everyday assembling procedure of a GDI gun. This gun has a mechanical system of cleaning, but for correct operation it requires compressed air to be always connected. Start assembling from the mixing head. Fix it tightly with the screw from the top. Remove the safety block. Insert the needle carefully from the backside of the ground and fix it with a tube tool. Put on safety block and move it into working position. Next important step is to put the mixing module inside of the mixing head. The module has a metallic pin for centering that may damage the polished surface of the mixing head inside. Never insert the module and rotate it inside. You will damage the mixing head. Instead of doing that, put it on the needle with the pin downwards. Press the trigger. Make sure the pin has entered its slot and fix it with the module nut tightly. Last important step is to fix the nozzle correctly. Always fix the nozzle nut with the gun trigger pressed and tighten it with hands. Otherwise, you will get a leakage when working. Using compressed air, finish nozzle installation by turning the nozzle into a desired position.